I'm going to show you how to do a textural overlay using Photoshop Elements 2020. You can find many textures on Google Images. I've created a folder where I pulled off those images and just stored them on my computer. These are just free textures. So you've got a lot to choose from. Okay, so let's go ahead and create it using our Elements program. Let's see, I'm going to go in here. You want to be sure you're set in the expert mode when you do this. Okay, first we'll go into File. Open an image. First thing I'm going to do is pull up the texture that we're going to use. Okay, here's the texture. And then again, go back to File and then Open. And we'll use this as our next image. Okay, it's kind of on the cool side, so I'm going to warm it up just a bit. That seems to work nicely. The exposure, it's okay, I guess. Could make the whites a little whiter. Okay, let's go to Open Image now. All right, so we're going to, first of all, we have this image. It's selected. We're going to take this image and make sure that you have the Move tool. You have that highlighted, okay. Now we're going to move the other image onto the background. Okay, we've done that. Sometimes the pictures don't line up quite right, and you may have to adjust them. For instance, you have these little marks on the corner. You can take that, and that will allow you to adjust the size. On this new version, it will constrain the correct proportions without having to hit the control key first. So you don't have to do that with this new version. Okay, and that looks pretty good on the overlap. Just check that off. Now the next thing I'm going to do is you go into this box right here, and you see right now it says normal. I want to see overlay, so let's go and let's see what happens when I hit the overlay key. Not too great, so let's try a different selection. If I hit darken, we get better results. Okay, well anyway, you can play with this and do all kind of things and see which one you like best, but I think in this case the darken key worked the best. So I think we're ready now to save our image. We're going to go ahead and merge down. So we've got our image saved together, kind of a very pleasing effect. So now we just go to Save As, okay, and I've got it set right now as a JPEG file, and we can save it wherever you want. I'm going to save mine to my desktop just so we can check it and give it a new name. We'll just say Demo. It's a demonstration picture. Okay, we'll save it. Save it to the maximum quality. Click OK. And now let's minimize our screen here. And we have saved it as a demo. It's on our desktop. You can do whatever you like with it. And there you go.